How to make Leo man fall in love with you. Leo men are bold, confident, and full of life. Ruled by the sun, they love attention, crave admiration, and carry a natural charm that draws people in. If you want a Leo man to fall in love with you, you'll need more than good looks. You need to stand out, show loyalty, and light up his world with genuine warmth and confidence. Would you love to make him absolutely addicted to you? Learn about 3 ways to make a man addicted to you. Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Here's a simplified guide to help you win his heart. 1. Give him genuine praise. Leo men love compliments, especially when they feel sincere. Admire his talents, his strength, and his achievements. It boosts his ego and makes him feel valued. 2. Be confident and stylish. Confidence is a big attraction for Leo. Dress well, walk tall, and speak clearly. Show him you are proud of who you are. A Leo man is drawn to someone who knows their worth. 3. Be real and honest. He can tell when someone is faking it. Always be yourself. Speak from the heart. He'll respect you more when you're open and honest, even if you disagree with him. 4. Have smart conversations. Leo men enjoy deep and exciting conversations. Share your ideas, challenge him, politely, and talk about your passions. Show him you're more than just a pretty face. 5. Support his dreams. A Leo man often dreams big. Encourage him. Celebrate his wins and stand by him during tough times. He'll fall for someone who truly believes in him. 6. Respect his independence. Don't try to control him. Let him lead, make decisions, and have his space. When he feels free, he'll be more open to love and connection. 7. Live an exciting life. Leo loves fun, energy, and adventure. Have your own hobbies, goals, and stories. A passionate, interesting life will keep him hooked. 8. Be loyal and trustworthy. Loyalty is very important to him. Keep your promises. Defend him when needed. Let him know you're someone he can count on. 9. Make him laugh. Don't be too serious all the time. Share jokes, tease him playfully, and enjoy fun moments together. A good laugh can bring you closer. 10. Inspire him. Show him that you're strong, smart, and growing. Be the kind of person who makes him want to be better. He'll admire you deeply, and fall in love along the way. Winning a Leo man's heart means being bold, kind, and real. When you match his fire with your own light, love can grow strong and bright. Do you want to keep your man's eyes on you and only you? Would you love to make him absolutely addicted to you? Learn about 3 ways to make a man addicted to you. Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more.